I am not going down with any from this party.
You keep your head one place now. Using your head, you are rotating up and down.
My love,
Yeah?
please give me your phone. Let me make call. My love. Why is the aeroplane showing on your phone?
You think say they why?
Okay, that plane. That is new update. When you have a flight to catch at the airport this time now, it will always display there, so I don't miss your flight again. And so again, sometimes if you have missed call from the airport, it will be showing aeroplane on top of your phone. Yes.
Oh,
You know your phone is only iPhone now, so you don't know. This is latest Android now.
technology, Amaka.
Yes.
So if I have flight now, they will just call me. Aeroplane will now start showing on
That
my
is
phone.
if you now buy Android though. You know you don't like Android.
Okay, iPhone cannot do it.
No, it's not showing iPhone. No, I'm using Android and iPhone.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Okay.
eyes they pay me and they waiting with this.
Papa Amanda, is this in off-flight mode? Is this not a plane mode? Papa Amanda, only when miss call from my port. Eh?
70 years old.
Papa Amanda, he move. He move. Papa Amanda, he move.
Baby, calm down.
Wait,
I can explain. Just come.
Papa Amanda, miss call from my. He have airflight mode. Let me remove it.
Oh, I'm not too much.
Chineke.
Mugbe wala handicap.
Papa Amanda,
Don't cast.
are you
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Are you waiting for me?
Sorry, now just calm down. This thing, no be say na big thing. No, this thing that what most of my friends say they do in the house to secure their family because of all these small girls that will be chatting even when you don't want them to chat. You know how you used to quarrel. You're always looking at my phone, so I decided to copy them also. See the messages are coming.
So
that was why I decided to. Let me use a play. This is that time was named Primo. We have been discussing, no quarrel.
I am no quarrel now. So you see, you make a you know go free go free. You know go free go free. I'm coming. Wait.
Run, no.
Run now. Sure, the phone is with me. The one message. Grace, Stephanie. Run and come back. I'm waiting for you in this house. You know, aeroplane mode.